Do you
Roxy,
Oh,
say hello.
Wait, Mom. Isn't there smoky inside? There's smoky
yeah,
inside.
she's fine for you guys also.
She said she don't even have it. So that must try to
How can she not have enough? As jy steek of food, she's gonna buy me that.
She said she's not gonna buy me. I don't want to buy her. But I don't even have a card.
Were you buying for Tisha? Michelle, I mean, what did you buy?
Look at she don't care. What is it called again?
Tisha.
Take Mauricio Big Mac there.
Didn't you think?
I thought Michelle was gonna buy.
What is it
Mo.
called?
What?
You
Say,
owe
I
me.
want to buy my top.
Try this.
The evidence.
Guys, I must not drive.
What is the meal called?
Say hello.
What do you want?
Yeah, what is the stuff called?
What do you want?
The meal, I don't know that. Where's Papa Burgers?
What's the
Yeah.
followers?
Yeah, burgers and followers.
Fish mac and a big kettle.
Big Mac? Yes.
Oh.
Medium.
You didn't order. I'll be like a lie. Sorry. Sorry.
Two.
This is
Oh, you have a Big Mac or something?
Say, say,
She just said, I asked her, can you pay for meals? She said,
Iska, guys can go sit outside now. Huh?
I don't want to buy her.
He said,
Look where she's standing.
ah, julle wil my broedskou.
Look where she's standing.
Mishka!
Oh, take them outside. Then.
Wil mense inkom?
I don't think chicken tenders are good for your waffle fries.